Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaskar to all. Let's look at how September 2020 will be for Gemini or Mithuna Rashi natives. Let's look at the planetary positions first. Rahu is placed in your first house, Venus in the second, your Rashi Lord Mercury and Sun in the third, retrograde Jupiter and Ketu in the seventh, retrograde Saturn in the 8th, and Mars in the 11th. So if I have to talk about the positive or favorable planets for you for this month are Sun, Mars, Venus and retrograde Jupiter. Rest of them are going to be negative for you. So as you can see, many planets are in good position, in favorable position. So you have been struggling for a long time now. That there was an eclipse which had its effect on you, and then you're going through the Rahu Ketu axis now, Rahu and Ketu in 1 and 7, and then the Astama Shani, so a lot of things are there. So but fortunately this month you're going to have a better time. Your energy will be higher in this month. There could be some confusion or doubts cropping up now and then, but with the transit of Rahu Ketu happening in this month and towards the end of the month, I think you will have better days. Of course, a slight effect of the Astama Shani is also going to be there for you for some time. So health will overall be okay or stable, I would say. The gains could be average or some sudden gains also could be seen. Now let's talk mainly on health. If I have to talk about health, there could be some severe stomach pain, small eye needles or troubles, anxiety could be high. There could be some vagueness in your thought process as well. So if you're having any chronic issues, it is better to be aware of them, and then you need to be very careful about managing those chronic issues. However, Sun, Mars, Venus as well as Jupiter, they are in very good position for you. So they will help you to come out of these health troubles. However, if you are going around, be very careful when you are near a water body. Could be a river, could be a pond, could be sea, or even a swimming pool. There's a chance that there could be some accident which may occur. Now let's look at career or finance. That means career or business. For working people, confidence definitely would be back. It will improve. They will be able to push forward with confidence. However, you just control your thoughts. They may be slightly negative at times, or they even could be vague. So overall, if I have to say, for working people, it will be a good month to focus and finish all those unfinished tasks which have been troubling for you for long. So as far as I can see, energy is going to be high in this month. Now businessmen, if I have to talk, they could find some sudden changes in their existing business. They are advised to control their communication and anger when they are dealing with their customers. For new projects, if you want to take up, the last part of the month is going to be favorable or more conducive for you. Coming to students are going to definitely have a better month. If they are participating in any competition, I think the chances for them winning would be very high. In terms of wealth, you can expect some sudden unexpected gains in this month. You may end up spending on good causes in this month. However, you need to guard yourself against unplanned expenses. You may also have some problem, some litigation on which you may have to spend as well. There could be some small health issue for which also you may have to spend in this month. If I have to talk about gains will be average or better for you in this month. Now family, if I have to talk, your spouse's health definitely needs attention. If there are pregnant women in the family, please take extra care of them. They could face some issues. Children will be or may be troublesome for you in this month. and watch out, they may get injured as well, they may be very cranky as well as very mischievous. They may end up injuring themselves, so you need to take care. Elders health also slightly may be disturbed, pay attention to that. Only thing that you need to do is you need to be calm and then just try to manage. Overall, if I have to say, family atmosphere will be conducive only. Now coming to remedies, going through the Ashtama Shani period, so it is advisable for you to recite or listen to Hanuman Chalisa every day. You can recite or listen to Vishnu Sahasranamam for a long term benefit. This is something which you can continue all through your life. So whenever you find time, at least you can devote that half an hour in the day to listen to or learn Vishnu Sahasranamam, which will be very beneficial for you. If you are looking to donate a few things, you can donate a coconut, horse gram and black pepper on a Saturday. That will help you. Now, to remove obstacles and bring in prosperity, praying to Goddess Durga and Lord Ganesha will be very beneficial for you. So please continue doing these remedies, and I wish you all the best for this month. Namaskar.